Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students, to lesson 8. We are on lesson 8 today. We're gonna talk about, or we will explain the grammar points from the previous lesson. We had the conversation first, and we had the new vocabulary. Then we had the exercise, the questions, the direct, indirect questions, the discussions, and all that kind of stuff, and everything else. So now we will come back for the grammar review. Okay, the grammar review is where we talk about the most important grammar points of this chapter. Alright, today we will be focusing on roles of nouns. Roles of nouns. Roles is door, right? In Somalia, roles means like door. Door ka nouns ka. Okay? We will talk about the roles of a noun. Door ka nouns ka ilayhin. On in any part of the sentence. Okay, nouns perform different tasks. Okay, nouns can when they are in a sentence. Alright, so let's explain some basic functions of nouns. Alright, number one is a noun, a subject of a verb. Okay, and a subject of a verb, Okay, and subject. Subject two things, which are noun and pronoun. Okay, subject of a verb, it becomes the subject of a sentence. Noun becomes the subject of the sentence, means like the person who's doing it. My husband uses the bike every day. My husband uses the bike every day. Okay, you have my husband, which is the noun, and uses, which is the verb. Okay, the LCD screen does not display. Okay, the LCD screen does not display. Here we have display, different features. Okay, display, which is the verb, and the LCD screen will be the noun. Alright, and so like as every subject, alright, or most of the subjects are either nouns or pronouns, or like alright, so object of a verb, right? Object of a verb, it is the other side of the sentence. Number one was the first word of the sentence. Now it is the last, or the last part of the sentence. Alright, I want a bike. I want a bike. A bike is an object. Okay, describing what you want. Alright, my husband uses the bike every day. My husband uses the bike every day. Okay, my husband will be the subject, uses will be the verb, and the bike is gonna be the object. Alright, and we can also use nouns to modify a verb. Modify a verb means like tell something about a verb. Alright, in here we have I feel cold. Sorry, it feels cold this morning. It feels cold this morning. Okay, this morning modifies what? The verb how. It tells us what? About the specific time. Okay, it feels cold this morning. Okay, this morning. I will leave tomorrow. I will leave tomorrow. Okay, and I will leave tomorrow. Tomorrow modifies the verb, which is leave, because like it tells you what, when the leaving is gonna happen. He jogs today. He jogs today means like today is gonna tell you what, how, alright, how or when this person is jogging happened. Alright, so like it can modify a verb as kind of like adverb. Okay, because like all we have here is what, the adverb of, the adverbs of time. Alright, modifier of a noun. Alright, it can modify or it can tell something about another noun, which is one of the easiest parts. Alright, I bought an exercise bike. Okay, we can also call this one a compound noun. Means like one noun explains the other noun, and together they become a noun. Alright, so like modifiers of a noun, it modifies another noun, which is one of the easiest ones. Is we have like exercise bike. Exercise bike. Okay, exercise modifies what kind of bike it is. What kind of bike it is. If we just say a bike, could be any bike. But like when you say like the exercise bike, it's gonna be like the thing that you use to lose weight and all that kind of stuff. I love apple juice. Apple juice. Okay, apple juice. Apple juice, like it's telling you what kind of juice you want. It modifies the type of the juice, which is like the apple one. Okay, and mango juice would be different because like if we add here mango, it has to be different. All right, possessives. Nouns can also be possessive. Show you possession, sorry, and by adding apostrophe s. The bike is computer console. The bike is computer console. Right. The bike is computer. Okay, something that belongs to the bike, which is the computer console belongs to the bike. The car is windshield. The windshield belongs to the car. Alright, so to show possession we use nouns plus apostrophe s. Okay, if they are and apostrophe s and s to express the ownership though. Alright, when you express in ownership you use apostrophe s with the nouns. Alright, so you have questions and answers where the students and have them practice the following questions and answers and ask them to come up with similar questions and answers. Alright, so like this part you will read these questions, okay, with each other, or you can practice with your partner. Then it's the same thing like that you did like before, which like asking each other the questions. Okay, one time you ask the question, the other time he asks the questions. And I think that would be it for this chapter, I think, and all the grammar review, and we've covered a lot of them, or like a lot of stuff. And the possessive, which is like show possession, and the nouns like they show possession. We also have like more nouns modify other nouns like credit card, a mouse pad, all that kind of stuff. All the compound nouns, plane ticket, all the compound nouns are part of what? And noun that's modifying the other noun. Alright, and inshallah we're gonna stop there, and until I see you inshallah the next lesson, which will be like lesson 9 I guess. Inshallah I hope you all the best inshallah, and I will see you then. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, dear students.